Hello, welcome to Euclid Chiropractic. This is our new office. We are walking towards our x-ray room right now. Let's turn the light on. There we go. Everything looks like it's ready to go. Gonna get some painting done and the carpet in. Room will be ready. This is looking down the hallway towards our patient treatment rooms, which we have 4 of. Here comes room number 1. Room 1. Room 2. Down the hallway a little further to rooms 3 and 4. We are adding an additional treatment room. Our last office had 3 treatment rooms, so this has 4. So like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 treatment rooms. This is our traction stabilizer room. We got the doctor's office and management's office.